Hello everyone, let's get started. So this is my first video ever on YouTube. So I'm gonna start to do on videos on BTC on the weekly basis. I might do ETH as well on the weekly basis. As many of you know my work already, I've been in space for years. I never wanted to be on YouTube for personal reason, and I decided to do so. So on the weekly, I'll do, let's say, one video on BTC and one video on ETH. I might do the video on BTC on Thursday and videos on ETH on the Tuesday to have them apart a little bit. So let's get started and let's go to business straight away. As you know, I'm a trader. I've been trading on my own with my own capital for years now. I've been in space for nearly 10 years. And right, let's have a look at BTC. I don't want to go through much bullshit. So it'll be short video, maybe like 10 minutes. Also, I still need to work on thumbnails and all, but hopefully you will enjoy my work for the newcomers on YouTube. So BTC on the weekly there. Um, what do we see? We see a couple of bearish divergence. Of course, if you don't know me, all my charts are inverted. If you don't follow me, you'll be able to follow me on different social media. I don't know, or we'll work it out, but you'll see there might be links and stuff around. But as you see, we've got a couple of bearish divergences on the weekly on BTC. We made a new all-time high this week on, I think it was Tuesday, right? Monday evening, Tuesday, depending where you are in the world. Uh, there was just a liquidity grab to be honest from the previous all-time high that we've made around like mid-August. So four bearish divergences on the weekly, as you can see. Um, let's have a look at the 3 days really quick. But as you can see, the MACD is still like below the previous average, so heading towards zero in my opinion. Uh, let me put that up. Also, there is a couple of important level. I didn't talk about yearly open Q1 2024 all-time high as well, and that's the Trump rally election there. 200 SMA sitting at 53.54K on weekly. So on the 3 days, same story. We've got one, two, three, four bearish divergence on the weekly. The close on the previous 3 day was higher than the previous body candle from the high, which was a really nice trap in my opinion for bulls there. Still above every single averages on the 3 days, but 3 days high time frame as you know. What's interesting is the daily and the H4 that we're gonna go through in a sec. So we can see a small bearish divergence on the daily there, but if you look from mid-July and even the local top that we had in May around the 22nd, 25th of May for the world market, it's a triple bearish divergence on a high time frame. MACD is still looking okay. If you look at the daily time frame there, we above the 9, above the 26, 200 SMA sitting at 106K. I do believe that we're gonna retest that 200 SMA, and in my opinion, we're gonna go way lower. I don't know if you follow my content online, but I've got currently one short position running on BTC that you can find on my Twitter. My stop is around 131. I know that a good friend of mine, Income Shark, had a laugh at my stop loss saying like, Your stop loss might be actually a good entry, 5. I was like, not nice. Not nice. But he's a friend, so we can laugh, right? Okay, that's actually what I'm targeting. I'm targeting the low 80 there to the low 90, high 80, around like 88K. That would be really nice to see. But on even bigger time frame, I would like to see something, and I don't know if that will be coming, to be honest. But I do believe that below the Trump election. So basically, I'm currently short from 122K and $200 or something. So we basically around entry as we speak and as I record um, that YouTube video. I'm targeting at least a liquidity grab below 100. As you know, my love for heat map and liquidity zone, there is huge liquidation events that will occur around 98K. And then there is two important level. There's the yearly open that is sitting at 93,580 or something, but slightly below it. There is an important level for institution. There is a CME gap, a really important CME gap. The CME gap is sitting from 91 to 92. Let me put it there for you so you guys see. So that's where the CME gap is staying there. Let me put CME gap on BTC. So that's a really important zone in my opinion, and what we want to see around that zone, around the yearly open and the CME gap, is a bounce. If we don't see a bounce, then it could get really, really nasty. And what I would like prefer to see is actually a wick slightly below. So then you trap the late shorters, the late bears, and everyone gets scared. They sell below the CME gap, and you get a wick back, and then you get continuation up. Um, Hopefully. Let me have a quick look at the H4 as well. Um, what's interesting on the H4, so you see we've been short for a couple of days now. I mean, we were below entry. It's currently on entry, so still fine to enter in my opinion. But when you look at it, where the really nice golden pocket retracement on BTC on smaller time frame, I think it's even more clearer on the H1 there, if I may. No. So from top to bottom there, you had like perfect retest, no close above the 0.618 retracement, and you had what I like to call the golden pocket there, just liquidity grab in that zone uh, to get continuation. Then hopefully we still like fighting with the 200 decimal on the H1, but hopefully we will be like below it in a bit, right? Let me go back to the H4. So yeah, that's about it for me, guys. I do hope and believe you do enjoy my first video on YouTube. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, whatever. And one more word as well, if you do use our affiliate link on Bluffin, you get free access to our trading Discord code for free, and you get also free VIP status as a sign-up bonus. So I'll put all the link in the video, and thank you for tuning in, and see you next Thursday. Cheers.